he's coming in my door.
Oh shoot. Definitely?
Yep, he's here. Took one down.
Watch out, they still have 2 more.
Fuck, I don't know where he just went. There's 2 in this building with me.
Knocked one out.
Nice. I killed the other one, so there's only 1 more over here. I don't know.
I saw him out the window.
You can save Speyside.
Right.
Maybe.
Fuck you.
Come
Get him,
yeah,
get him, get him.
Nice.
Woo!
Nice.
Winner! Hey,
That was badass.
we won against this squad 2v4, so I'm happy. And they had gear.
Awesome.
You go get their scopes now.
Yeah, I need some ammo.
And you guys are just barely in the circle.
I'll take barely.
That auto shot, he actually did some work.
Yeah, this dude had an 8 times.
Yeah, Kevin, I watched you blast those guys.
Shoot. I want to check this other guy. That was sweet. Ooh,
Yeah,
okay,
you
okay,
said
okay,
it,
okay. Got it, got it. Got my mini.
So you're 8 times on the mini now?
I didn't pick up that 8 times. Hey Kevin, I got you some scopes.
Okay.
You still got 18,
Inside,
18 live.
Get inside.
So you grab what you needed out
I dropped a 4.
there. Cool, thank you.
Okay, your airplane went way over here. They're going to be coming in. There's still 18 people. So. The rest of the way are here.
Kind of a shitty building to be holed up in. But
Yeah. Honestly, I like this building, but once it moves, not so much. They didn't have a lot of. I'm going upstairs.
Car coming. There's a car coming.
He's stopping northwest of us.
Okay. Move upstairs too.
Is that the motorcycle?
They have to come right to us, though. Like, they don't have any room.
There's
Just one.
and they're all, yeah, on the left, right left.
One,
Oh,
yeah, one's going
one
left.
on the west.
That's the thing is, I don't want to shoot at 1. I want to
Right.
shoot at 4. He
Here
went.
he is. There's 2 of them.
Okay. So
Holding up
there's at
another
least
big
2 of
car.
them.
By the tank, just.
He's
Down. There's 2 of them. One of them's in that.
Okay.
One left in that pink
doors
house.
open, doors open.
In that pink building right in front of where he died? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's to the right
They're
of
in
the door.
They're in the doorway.
You got a nade? Peek your head.
Yes sir, I do.
Yeah, he
Just
is
don't,
right
just
in
don't give him a
behind
shot. Just It's going
Nade.
far side. It's going out to the right.
Window. You could have seen him through the window.
He
He went out and to the
That's
right. He's probably on the wall though. Circle's going his way though.
the shots are west.
Yeah, I don't like that. 9 people left. We gotta. Let's go into containers around the far side. So around the northeast side.
Okay.
Kevin, you ready?
Yep.
You guys should probably boost Speyside.
I don't have any. I just used my painkiller though.
Yeah, that's good.
Fucking wall. Okay, here is silence. Long range behind us.
Yep, come on. We've got a lot of cover. Shit.
22 seconds for this moves.
gonna be a battle in the containers.
I don't know.
Yeah, we gotta move in here. We're about to get hurt.
Nah, we're on the small side. It's not gonna move very fast. Cutting across. Yeah, there's people up in those hills still.
Yeah, they're gonna be coming down in a hurry.
Right,
Nah,
where now?
they're still in though. Ah. Well, we've got a dead end. We've got a safe spot here.
Is it? Yeah. Check out
Check.
here and see what we got.
Let's see where the circle goes. 9 alive.
Just I refilled my frag grenade that I used. Car nearby.
Kevin, I gave you a 4 times, right?
Yes, you did.
Could you use another one?
Is that a shot? What was that sound?
Dude,
Oh, my microphone.
we are almost still in, but not quite.
No, I don't need another one. I'm done. Is that what you said?
Yeah, okay. Oh, there's guys on the beach. At least
On the
one.
beach. Okay.
With the next to the boat.
Yeah. They're in the circle, we're not.
Next, behind the grass. Yeah. You almost had him.
What number here are you looking at?
He
Like
sees
one-
me, he sees
Is it like
Instant kill,
195 or-
instant kill. He's down. Let's get... Oh shit, I want that wall. Let's get the wall. Or at least...
So it's a kill just means his team's dead.
Team's gone.
He was
Yep.
he was the only one. He was solo.
There's a guy behind us in the containers. He might be coming out the way that we just moved from. And I don't like that wall.
Oh, there, one
Yeah.
way down there in the wall.
Yeah, you want to run for the wall and get to the other side?
Yeah, but then we're open to whatever's on that side. Let's do it.
Yeah, go on the beach. Yeah,
Oh, I like
Good
this.
cover down there.
I like this.
good cover down
That's
there.
a nice spot.
I like
Yeah,
this.
we're still in. Nice.
There's gonna be a guy coming around on our right. He's been hit. There's people on our left up here.
Thing
Check
is,
his box
we,
over
we
here.
can't shoot from here. Can you shoot from where you are if you scoot up?
No, I'm gonna have to back up or move
Firing
up.
from the left. Firing from the
There's
southwest.
3 of them on our
Got 2 guys
left.
left side.
In the
Yeah.
building. In the little
Yeah,
building.
no, I see them, but
Okay.
there's still one on our right. There's those 3 and the one on our right. That's who's left.
Building guys moved into the wall.
Okay. I haven't seen which building are those
You can
three?
shoot all the way down the wall and get a.
Yeah, working.
I got 2 of them
Nice.
down.
Is it in that little shack?
They're
with-
not-
with,
they're
like,
not
see what you're shooting at? I'm watching your right.
They're down. They're pissed. Watch right still. Watch right. Oh no, I
Yeah.
only killed one of them.
They're
That guy
gonna,
just took apart my helmet.
We're
And
about to be out. We're gonna have to run.
there
Yeah.
might be another helmet in that box if you kill him.
Oh, the guy's to the right in the container. Where we just came from.
Yeah.
He's scooting to the right.
There is.
See him now?
There is.
I can throw a
You
grenade at
can
him.
probably
from here.
shoot through that steel.
Crap. He's peeking. He's
There he
peeking.
is.
Yeah, he's
There
peeking.
he is.
He can't see me from here, but I can't shoot either.
Come on, buddy. Get out. You're gonna die. Get out. Stop wasting my time.
Oh, he's probably gonna come the other backside now. Oh, you guys gotta move.
Yeah, we got 4 seconds. We gotta move.
Yeah, but people can shoot us on the left there.
Yeah.
Fuck that guy.
You need to move.
Fuck you. And you. You know what?
Get him!
Oh, I got knocked
You
down.
too.
Oh, you
That's
didn't
the
get
last guy left.
Nice.
Ooh, chicken dinner.
Nice.
I recorded the ending.